friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about stress management. What is stress actually? Stress is something when our expectation doesn't meet. That time we are getting the stress, we are feeling stress. In our ancient age, the people who lived in the society, they did not have that much stress. The reason behind that? Because they are only fighting to get the food only. But right now, in this scenario, in this decade, we are fighting to get lots of things. We are required of home, we require bike, car, mobile phone, credit card, all those things on time. So that is the reason we are fighting and we are doing lots of hard work. And when our expectation doesn't meet, that time obviously stress come out. And it is not only for us only, because it has been seen for all the people in the world. The basic thing I can say, that is, whatever the scenario was there in 1950, the same scenario is not there in 2020, and same scenario will not be there in 2030. So changes will be happening. You need to change yourself. We cannot change the time, we cannot change the scenario, we cannot change the society, but we are expecting to change the society actually. That is the reason. We need to think about ourselves. What are the changes we can do in ourselves? What are the changes are required? The requirement is not same all the time. In that decade, requirement was something. In this decade, requirement is something. After 2030, the requirement will be something. So you need to change yourself according to time. The student life is also a stressful life. A student, whenever he is in college, that time he is also facing stress because of the study. Different reason can be there. A student who just completed the college, that time also he is facing the stress because of how to get a job. If the person is not getting married, that time also he is getting stress. Person is getting he's married, I don't know, I don't want to speak about that, but things are there. But the main thing is that stress is always there from childhood to till you are going to leave the society. So this is the things. So how to control this stress? You can control through one situation, single reason, single solution is there. That is, you need to change, you need to think about yourself, what are the qualities you are having. You need to change, you need to acquire, you need to gain something to stand in this decade. How to get a job, how to be strong in financially, where to invest, how to invest. You need to think, you need to see what are the scenario is there in this decade, in this time. If you are thinking like 1950 and investing and studying and all those things are doing like 1950, obviously you are not getting financially strong or not getting success. So you have to think all those things as per 2021. So this is the main thing. So you have to change yourself, not the society. So acquire some quality, change your quality based on the time, based on the scenario. You need to gain something new to stand on the societies, to stand on the success pillar. So this is the thing. Don't think about negative, be positive and think positive. And I am facing the same situation because due to the COVID situation. But still, I am acquiring, I am gaining some qualities. I am trying to get something new in my life, in my career, so I can achieve my success after certain period of time. Maybe 1 year gone, but still 40 years is left. So during this 40 years, I need success. So maybe today I am standing here, maybe tomorrow, or maybe after 10 years, maybe after 5 years, I don't know where I am going to stand. So because of how I am going to change myself, how I am acquiring new qualities, that is the most important thing. So basically, the path you are choosing, that is your destiny. That makes your destiny. Don't think that I am sitting here and my destiny will be there and I am going to get that. Or maybe you decided that I am not going to get that anything. Don't say like that, don't think like that. Choose the right path, work like that, and if your goal is smart, if you're thinking right way, then obviously your destiny will be beautiful. Hope you like my video. So obviously share my video and like button. Please click on that. Thank you.